Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Popper Series poppers should be performed by the qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSEL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Once your popper is unpacked and installed, you are now ready to load your first bag-in-box. Place one 35-pound bag-in-box in the pump carriage on the top shelf with the nozzle facing forward. Pull the bag nozzle out of the box and remove the plastic dust cap. Next, connect the bag-in-box connector to the bag nozzle by sliding it on the bag nozzle and press firmly on the center of the connector as shown. You are now ready to calibrate your oil level indicator. First, turn on the main power switch and press the menu button in the top right corner. This will take you to the menu screen. Next, select the setting options and press Oil System Calibration. Ensure that the second bay is empty. If empty, press the Remove Empty Oil to Reach 0% button on the screen. Load the second full bag-in-box of oil into the pump carriage on the bottom shelf. Once loaded, press Add New Oil to Reach 100% option to set it at 100%. You have now calibrated the oil level. Press the Oil System Calibration Complete option to take you back to the settings menu. Now that your oil level is set, you will need to calibrate the pump. Make sure the kettle is completely cool before calibration and taking volume measurements. First, on the settings screen, select Oil Pump Calibration and follow the steps. Remove the oil funnel on top of the kettle and place a measuring cup under the oil delivery tube. Press the Hold Cup Under Oil Dispense Tube button. Next, press Dispense Oil and the pump will dispense oil for 10 seconds. Make sure you hold the measuring cup under the delivery tube until the oil is completely finished coming out. After the pump is finished, compare the oil measurements to the volume shown on the screen. If the oil amount shown on the screen matches what is in the measuring cup, press OK and turn off the unit. If the oil volume does not match, press the up arrow to increase the oil volume or press the down arrow to decrease the oil volume. Once the volumes match, press OK and turn off the unit. Before you turn on the unit, reattach the oil funnel on top of the kettle. Once attached, restart the machine. Now that your oil level and pump is calibrated, you are ready to pop some popcorn. On the home screen, press Cook. Next, select your recipe by selecting butterfly popcorn, salt flavoring, and your popcorn load size and press OK. Your kettle will then begin preheating. Once the kettle is preheated, the screen will say, Add corn and flavacol. At this point, load your corn and flavacol, close the lid, and press the OK button. After pressing OK, you will be asked to dispense oil. Press OK to dispense oil and start the cooking process. Your popcorn will start popping and the screen will alert you when it is time to dump the kettle. When it says Dump Kettle, press OK to continue. After you dump the kettle, take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. The screen will now ask you if you need to repeat recipe. Select OK to cook another batch. If done, select Cancel. Now you are ready to scoop and serve delicious popcorn.